Hi guys, wow, today is the last day for our CSS class on positioning. It was really amazing. We built a chat interface and it was really lovely. I can't wait, to be a pro at this thing so that I can just be designing interfaces like so we have 3 assignments and I'm really looking forward to killing them. We're supposed to design the WhatsApp interface, the Facebook Messenger interface, and the BBM interface. It was really nice. I enjoyed today's class and I enjoyed this week's class. I mean, it's really good to see that I'm making progress, and I can't just wait to be a pro at this thing. So see you guys next week Tuesday for another exciting video. And so our UI classes continue today. We built a chat interface today with CSS. So here's the CSS, here's the HTML document. We didn't use an external CSS file. We built it and we coded CSS into the HTML document. So here we created a div, a container div that has a header, and then also has three different lists, unordered lists, and then each list has three divs each. So here we have it. As you can see, we're creating a chat interface. This has Steve Jobs in it, Mark Zuckerberg, Femi A. Allen, Bill Gates, and a whole lot of other tech gurus. And then for the CSS, we called the different features. We called the container, the header, the menu, close, and then other menu, the lists, and then the avatars and all that. So it was a good one, and I'm looking forward to my assignments, which was supposed to design Facebook Messenger interface, WhatsApp interface, and BBM interface. So I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm going to be making a video of my assignments just before the class. So I'm going to show you what we got with all these beautiful codes, and then here it is. Yes, so the journey to being a UI designer is going on well. We're making progress. So until next time, thank you guys for watching. See you later.